Visiting farmers markets is my favorite way to shop. I love supporting local small businesses and enjoy getting to know the business owners and those that make and grow the products they are selling. Today I am featuring Urban Farmhouse. They have a variety of items and I love the infused shrubs.
Hi, I am Priscilla Koch and I own the Urban Farmhouse Company. And what I make are shrubs. And this is all organic infused vinegars, okay? My products are using Bragg's apple cider vinegar. It is all natural. All my products are organic that go into it. I use whole herbs, whole fruits, whole veggies, and whole berries when I make these. The word shrub actually comes from an Arabic word called sharab, and sharab means to drink. Shrubs came to us here in the United States in colonial America, where they were using apple cider vinegar to preserve fruits and vegetables. They would take out the fruits and vegetables, eat those, and then take that liquid and use it in water and in alcohol, okay? So, on the back of my business card, I have suggestions on how to use these shrubs, all right? And let's get you, here is a blackberry mint shrub. Okay, you can use this in a salad dressing, in water, in fizzy water. You can make a signature cocktail with it, a marinade, or you can even use it as a dessert if you wanted to, okay? Again, my products have no water, no sugar, no salt, and no colorants. They have beautiful colors. You shake up the bottles, and these are, again, are whole berries, whole fruits, whole veggies.
This farmers market is on Saturdays and Sundays at the corner of Voyager and Wild Ridge across from the farm community. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.